Hello everyone, welcome back to AppGeeker. Today we're going to talk about how to factory reset iPhone 7 without passcode. Sometimes we want to reset our iPhones for many different reasons, such as selling our iPhones, giving them to others, or iPhones are disabled, etc. But how can we factory reset our iPhones when we just forget the passcode? No need to worry, in this tutorial, we will show you 2 ways to quick fix the problem. Okay, now let's get started. The first way to reset your iPhone is using the Finder. Take iPhone 7 as an example. You have to put your iPhone into recovery mode first. Press and hold the side or top button until the power off slider appears. Slide to turn off. Then press and hold the volume down button and connect your device to a computer via lightning cable. Keep holding the button during the process until you see the restore screen, which looks like this. Now launch the Finder in your Mac and locate your device in it. Choose Restore when it requires to be restored or updated. Then click the Restore and Update button and go on. The Finder will download the latest software for your iPhone and begin to restore it. The process will take some time, so please wait patiently. By the way, if the download takes more than 15 minutes and your device exits the recovery mode screen, just keep it downloading, then turn off your device and put it into recovery mode again. Now your iPhone has been restored to factory settings. Disconnect your device from the computer and wait for it to restart. Okay, this is how to reset iPhone by the Finder. Now the second method is to reset your iPhone via iPhone Unlocker. iPhone Unlocker is a product of AppGeeker. You can find it under the products list of AppGeeker and install on your computer. After finished, launch it and choose the white passcode on the top of the screen. Then click the Start button to move to the next step. Now you need to plug your device into the computer via a USB cable. Normally it will be recognized automatically. If not, please choose your device model and follow the instructions below to put your device into recovery mode. Once done, choose your device information and click the Start button to download the firmware package. When finished, you'll see a pop-up appear and please read the warning below carefully. Then you need to enter 0000 and hit the Unlock button to confirm unlocking. Now your device is restoring. When it's finished, disconnect your iPhone from the computer, then reset to use your iPhone. Okay, the above are the 2 methods to factory reset iPhone 7 without passcode. Thanks for your watching. If our video is helpful to you, you can subscribe us to find more useful tutorials. See you next time.